Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Tinder promo code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search here Tinder promo code. So let me search for that Tinder promo code. Okay, click on that and you need to open the first website using a Tinder promo code. Okay, so here you need to search for with the 2022. Okay, and then you need to open the first website, and here you can see that you can get a deal. Today's Tinder top offers, pet discount up to 50% off, so total offers 2 and average saving $140. So this is the simple process. You can get code from here. Okay, and then you need to open Tinder and use that on the Tinder application. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.